Looks like maybe they backed into a yellow pole. The taillight fits good.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona.
I am going to dive into this Dakota. Has damage on the bedside. Looks like maybe they backed into a yellow pole or slid into it maybe. That would be my guess. But I'm gonna repair this side. So I'm gonna start working this metal back into shape, get the taillight to fit, and get this one fixed up. So I'm doing a side-to-side comparison, and I'm putting this ruler in here, and I'm coming over to this side, and when I put it in the same spot, it's about 1/4 inch in still, this right here. I kind of figured that because the angle of this is supposed to be straight at a 90-degree angle, and I'm having a hard time getting it the rest of the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to weld a tab on here and use that to bring it out just that last 1/4 inch. Then I should be able to fit my taillight up. I got this one looking good. The taillight fits good. When I first put it in, I didn't like this gap right here. Just seemed kind of obnoxious. When you come over to the other side, it has an obnoxious gap as well. So for that reason, I'm just making it match side to side. That's just the way it is. That's the way it's made. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some plastic on this and start working the plastic out. So this one came out very nice. The only thing, when I was sanding this line, I actually cut through the primer. So I'm gonna mix up a little more primer and just dust on a couple little spots because we don't want to paint over just that. So I'm gonna reprime just a few spots and this will be good. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to get back on this Hyundai Elantra. I started on this one last week.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Hyundai Elantra here. This one got hit down low, right here in the back. Folded up the trunk floor a little bit. This one is going to be on hold until I get a taillight because I don't want to weld this in until I make sure everything's fitting properly. It just showed up, so I'm going to go ahead and fit this taillight up, get everything fitting correctly, and then I'll be able to go ahead and weld this rear body panel on. I got everything fitting very nice on this. Both my taillights are lining up good, nice even gaps. It seals nice across the bottom and opens and latches properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the taillights back out and get this rear body panel welded on and finished up.